Hey guys, thanks for coming back for another video. In today's video, I am showing you how I painted my kitchen cabinets and painted our backsplash. I am also including some cleaning motivation, and I am showing you my beautiful bag that was sent to me by Teddy Blake, New York. So this was another project that took me a few weeks. I would work when I had a little bit of time during the days or on the weekends, but mainly I did the work after dinner or when my kids were in bed. Misconceptions, picture perfect, a balanced blend and some pretend. I started by removing the hardware and using some super clean to wipe the cupboards. My goal was to get 2 good base coats of the gray paint and then go in with a darker color around the edges and blend in the center a lighter color. This is the same technique I used on the China Hutch video where I turned the China Hutch into an island. I did not sand the inside of these cabinets because I was using a chalk-based paint, and technically you do not have to sand. I didn't want to clean up the mess inside, so I just cleaned it really well first. As you can see, my cabinets are a mess, and this is why I needed to tackle this project to organize and declutter a lot of the items in my cabinets once this was completed. And this is exactly why these cabinets needed organized. I laughed so hard watching this again because that was just one of the many times we've been knocked by some cans or other food because the kitchen has been a mess. And it just proves that organization is always the way.
ever call back? Do you ever pick up on that phone? Stop pretending I don't know you're home. I guess not. Do you ever respond? Explain it all again, again, again. Tell me why you don't wanna be friends. I guess not. Baby, no, I don't wanna go. You know how much I hate sleeping alone. I can never make it on my own. Tell me what I'm gonna do. Tell me how I'm gonna live my life without you. Yeah, tell me why we don't make sense. Tell me how I'm gonna get through. I don't wanna take another life without you. Yeah, tell me why we don't make sense. Do I ever let go? Let go of the days I wish we had. Stop crying over things I can't take back. Not yet. Do I ever forget? Erase your pretty face inside my head. Wishing you the best of life instead. Well, not yet. Baby, no, I don't wanna go. You know how much I hate sleeping alone. I can never make it on my own. Tell me what I'm gonna do. Tell me how I'm gonna live my life without you. Yeah, tell me why we don't make sense.
Because this wasn't real wood, it was so difficult to blend. Also, when I had the cabinet doors drying outside, my puppy knocked them into the mud, and it was really difficult to clean it off. I didn't want to sand it down and start all over. I had sanded as much as I could, and it was just looking really bad. So I pulled out the extra white paint I had left over from painting the whole house and decided to just put a thin white coat over the darkness, and it really lightened up the cabinets.
Tell me how I'm gonna live my life without you. Yeah, tell me why we don't make sense. Tell me what I'm gonna do. Tell me how I'm gonna live my life without you. Yeah, tell me why we don't make sense. Tell me how I'm gonna get through. I don't wanna take another life without you. Yeah, tell me why we don't make sense. Oh no.
So over on my Instagram, you guys were commenting that you wanted some cleaning motivation, and I thank you all for being so patient as I get videos out. I love you all. As you can see, my house is messy 45 times a day. Give this video a thumbs up if you clean your house every day and it looks like you never touched it the next day. So before we got started on the tile, I decided to tidy up. If you're new here, hello and welcome. My name is Becca and I am a mom to 3 kids. 2 of my kids have special needs. My husband and I purchased our mobile home for $500 on Facebook Marketplace. I share cleaning, organization, food, motherhood, and lifestyle type content. I also love to give honest reviews on products I use. Please subscribe if that is content you enjoy.
Gotta make space for the new you, like I'm old news in your rearview mirror. It must be nice, you went and got a penthouse, all your friends partying is real loud. Brand new money with a brand new chest, still a baby bird price straight off the nest like you. Could only get better. I need it more than ever. They don't. How can I believe you when everything you see through? Everything you see
This time we used the Toughest Tile product rather than the Rustoleum brand. We liked this better because we didn't have to sand. We just went over the tile with the scrub that came with it, and we used some Bar's Keeper Friend, then wiped it with a rag and dried it. We then put on 2 coats following the instructions. You have to apply it and then wait a few hours and apply the second coat and then let it dry for 2 days, similar to the brand we used on our bathtub. So I was happy to find this and share it with you guys so you didn't feel like you had to sand if you physically couldn't. When we sanded that bathtub, it was hard work, so if you would like an easier option, then I would suggest this. I don't think it is better than the Rustoleum brand in my opinion for durability, but I do believe it is great for not requiring sanding.
Everything is see-through, see-through. Everything is see-through. How can I believe it when everything is see-through, see-through? You ain't gotta be so see-through. You ain't gotta be see-through, see-through, yeah. You ain't gotta be so see-through. You ain't gotta be see-through, see-through, yeah. I see a sky with a reindeer car, but I'm not running. I see a train moving all too fast, but I'm not leaving. And you go round and round and round, and you cannot see. I'll be right behind you, honking the tree. You look so beautiful today, and
So then I clear coated the whole thing, and as you can see in the corner, my cute bag from Teddy Blake. So I just wanted to share with you this bag that Teddy Blake sent me. I've been going through my emails slowly and was so excited to see this message asking me to choose a bag and to just give you guys an honest review. They sent out my bag immediately and I got it within a couple of days. So this bag is so cute. It came packaged nicely. The box was amazing and it could fold down. I chose the Vanessa Pomelato 14-inch in dark gray. This was a hard decision because they have some really cute backpacks I wanted, but I love this purse. I immediately noticed the stands on the bottom, which I personally appreciate. Another thing that is really important to me is the extra stitching around the straps because I'm a mom, so this purse is obviously going to tie as a snack bag, storage, diaper and wipe holder, and everything else. These bags are premium Italian leather, and I could definitely smell that the minute I opened my box. I loved that they say if you don't see a specific piece you like, make sure to subscribe to them because they release new collections monthly, which I thought was pretty cool. The prices on the site seem extremely fair. I no longer live next to outlets where I normally would purchase my handbags, so I was pleased to see the price and then even happier once I received the bag and knew they were a solid company. So thank you to Teddy Blake for sending me this gorgeous bag just in time for Mother's Day. And I am not sponsored, you guys. I will link their website down below if you want to treat yourself or someone you know for Mother's Day, or just because I am in love with my bag and cannot wait to get more. I am so new to YouTube, and I have noticed that some companies offer me products for my honest review, but then slowly start to tell me what to say, and I just politely decline. I will never give a fixed review of a product, and I just wanted to share that with my subscribers so you guys know. So here's where I'm at, you guys. I'm having the hardest time finding curtains I like. I definitely will be adding more color into this kitchen, and I did organize my cupboards. As always, thank you guys so much for watching, and I look forward to talking to you in the comments. Let me know if you plan to treat yourself or a loved one with something from Teddy Blake, and I'll catch you in my next one.